Time to ask. Mastering adverbs of time and questions. Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to our series on adverbs. Today, we're diving deeper into adverbs of time. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the position of adverbs of time in questions. You'll walk away from this lesson with a solid understanding of how and where to place these adverbs in your interrogative sentences. Let's get started. Firstly, let's revisit what adverbs of time are. They're words or phrases that tell us when something happens, like yesterday, now, soon, or next year. You might be familiar with them in simple sentences like, I'll do it tomorrow. The adverb tomorrow is our adverb of time, telling us when the action will occur. But what happens when we start to ask questions? That's our main focus today. Typically, in questions, adverbs of time come at the end of the sentence. Here's an example. Are you leaving tomorrow? Sometimes, for emphasis or to signal that the time is important, we can put the adverb of time at the beginning of the sentence. Tomorrow, are you leaving? Remember, this change in position changes the emphasis, not the basic meaning. The sentence is still asking the same thing, just highlighting the time aspect more in the second version. Like many things in English, there are exceptions to this rule. Certain adverbs of time, like ever and yet, usually go before the main verb or after the auxiliary verb if there is one. Have you ever seen a ghost? Has she finished yet? In these examples, ever and yet are our adverbs of time, showing when the action occurred in relation to the present. And that's a wrap. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to position adverbs of time in questions. It's all about understanding where they typically go and being aware of the exceptions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these naturally in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey. It might seem confusing at first, but with persistence and practice, you'll master these tricky aspects in no time. Keep going, and I'll see you in our next lesson.